Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing here. Today I'm checking out this 24-piece plastic container. So this features a bunch of different containers. They're BPA-free, and each one is wrapped here, looks like. A little bit of plastic between each one. So these are microwave safe. Let's see, dishwasher, you can freeze them, all that good stuff. It has different sizes here. So if I want to go to work, I can take these. So there's some pretty good sized ones. Been trying to eat less, so depends. If I take more larger containers, then I tend to eat more. So smaller containers, smaller portions, more often eating seems to be good. But these have a lot of different sizes. You put like apple slices in here. You could put like enchilada in here. All kinds of things you could put in there. I don't know. Let's see here. Child-proof bag. I can't get in. No way a little bag's gonna beat me here. Pretty strong plastic there. Pretty noisy. There's some more lids for that. Lids for the bigger ones. Yeah, that plastic's no joke. It's pretty strong. This is 24 pieces. So there's those. I believe that these are watertight. I might get some water and put them in there. Then it has these little containers. You could put like vitamins in there or something. These just screw on there. That's kind of cool. There's 4 of these little guys. And more lids. So I'm going to put some water in one of these. And more of those guys. And then these. So these snap on there and make a nice seal. It has like a silicone edge around all of them. Should fit right on there. And snap down, if I'm not mistaken. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, actually I'm gonna go put some water in this and do a little water test, see how well it holds up. Okay, we have some water in there. And it is watertight. There's a good seal on that. So I like that it's BPA free too. You don't get a bunch of toxins in your food when you're heating it up. So this is a pretty decent little set here. Lots of containers for pretty much any size you want. I mean, they're not like super big ones, these being the largest ones, but it's decent size. And plus I like that these are all like stackable. So even though you have quite a few containers here, it consolidates into a fairly small area, and even the lids are pretty much just go with each other. So yeah, that's kind of nice. Well, friends, thanks for watching this unboxing and reviews. Have a great day. We'll see you all next time.